Yan po si Sandra. Siya po ay magpapasikat.
Para to sa'yo, Big Sis. Anong gusto mo?
Kahit ano, okay lang.
Sabi mo, you belong with me.
Eh, siya,
By
yun.
Taylor Sandra.
Taylor Villanueva, tanggi.
Taylor Villanueva.
Hindi, Sandra Sweet.
Sandra Sweet. You're on the phone with your girlfriend. She's upset. She's going off about something that you said. And she doesn't picture you like I do. Woo! I'm in the room. It's a typical Tuesday night. I'm listening to the kind of music she doesn't like. And she'll never know your story like I do. But she wears short skirts, I wear t-shirts. She wears up and then I'm gonna bleach her. Remember the day when you were looking for has been here the whole time. If you can see that I'm the one who understands you, being around, why can't you see?
Go, Vice!
I love you, Vice! I love you, Vice!
Hindi pa.
You belong.
Eh, ano ba?
Sis! Bye!
Bye! Hoy, secure tayo! Secure!
You belong with me.
Hoy, tayo secure!
Sige, thank you.
O, kami si film